Stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. Forget clunky online marketing tools that make you lose your hair trying to figure things out. We've made it easy to grow your online business. All the tools you need under the same roof. Sales funnels. Create funnels easily based on proven templates. Sell products. Become a dropshipper or sell your own products. Email marketing. Send unlimited emails and create email campaigns. Website builder. Easily set up your website in under 10 minutes. Affiliate program management. Create an affiliate program, automate affiliate payouts. Business automation. Save time and energy by automating your business. Evergreen Webinars. Run Evergreen Webinars to grow your audience and make sales. Online courses. Build your online course, manage your students. Blogging. Create high converting content and get more traffic. This is the easiest and most intuitive way to grow your online business. Click the link below to get started for free.